Hand Play, written by Elspeth Graham.
Hand shadow puppets are fun and easy to do. Get a desk lamp. Point the lamp at a plain background. Switch it on. Lift one hand up to the light. You will see a shadow on the background. Next, try to make some shadow shapes. Make a flying bat. Cross hands like this. Then link hands and press together. Keep hands out flat to make the wings. Make the fingers go up and down to make the wings flap. Make the bat flap and swoop. Next, make a barking dog. Reach out one hand like this. Bend a finger back. Make the little finger go up and down to make the dog bark. You can make the dog get a stick. Make a duck. Raise one arm. Bend the hand. The arm is the neck. The fingers make the beak. Make the fingers go up and down as the duck pecks for grain. Bend the neck as it pecks. Make a snail. Make one hand flat. Tuck the fingers in tight. This will make the snail body. Lower a finger to make a feeler. Make the second hand into a fist. Sit the fist on the back of the flat hand. This makes the snail shell. Make up a play for the hand shadows. The dog can bark at the duck. The duck can peck at the snail. Think of shapes to make. Try to make a cat, or a rabbit, or a crab. Have fun!